how to buy Fort token on Bybit Wallet. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to check the Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on Dict Cleaner. To be able to buy this token on Bybit Wallet, now click here to copy the token address, and remember, this token address is under the BNB Smart Chain Network. Now, after that, open your Bybit Wallet. Now, first of all, we need to add this token to our wallet. Now, by clicking on these three lines, now before that, make sure to select the BNB chain as a network. Now click on this three lines, click on this plus icon, and paste token as in the search bar, as you can see. So this is our token. Now click on confirm. After that, go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added called Fort. So after that, click on it, and here click on swap, as you can see from here, and they will redirect you to your Bybit exchange to be able to buy this token. So first of all, you need to connect your Bybit wallet first. So after you connect your wallet, you can swap from here, switch from here, and from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with. For example, I will use the USDT. As you can see, this is it. Now here you can type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see. Now after that, click on swap, and a pop-up will be appear here from your wallet to confirm the buy process. So this is how to buy Fort token on Bybit Wallet. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.